Come lend me anything you can lend me. Short, if I even want donut, I want roast send him. You do something. That's all one can lend me, I borrow it. Remember the party at the 26th? Remember Parliament on the 23rd? I remember the 12th on my birthday. Yeah. Come here, girl. I don't really want you over here. I've hide my phone. You know why you over here? It's everybody thanking for the roses, them. I don't want a crowd over here. I shot every minute follow me up for. I'm not too nice, you know. Florence and the little 70 Galaxy and clippings. Remember, say a Gemini season, you know. Mercury at. Yeah. I say one hard time. Can't imagine. Every time my birthday soon come, sadness take me. Every single time I say my birthday soon come, sadness take me. I'm gonna take the cycle, the breaker like it start back to pussy clad. Pure sadness. Never get so salty until my birthday ready for come. I want some lime and blue. I want some lime and blue. And egg some salt. Pee my part so Lord. Fight against them that fight against me. Track me, I beg the line before curfew start. Remember the pan curfew. Me I beg somebody will like me over here one lion before curfew start to blood clatter with me. I do ya so. I'm a curfew start to pussy cloud. Me there so. Me not should have inside. Me I tell me don't want cigarette. Me don't want the police pass and see me so out up on my veranda, you know. Cause me say me have 6 until 6 at night. I go in. I forgot really. Don't be going to the line before curfew. Why too cute? Too cute ever send 2 more me girl a pure things one. Chat me I look one somebody with 3 of them. The thank you too cute. Chat me I beg one line before curfew start. Let me look. People let me look at me the police come to me and me do away. That me not like we do now, you know. We don't know the protocol we not work. We not work with it. And me not get the line and hope. Do you know what time when the police come lock me out and I get the line? I'm a curfew start already after 6. Makio, you stay. She organ. You know really gonna make the person come catch me so I'm not get the lion. I'm a curfew start already. In the case I'm going. Because I can't fathom it. I can't fathom it. Really, not just really. I'm gonna make curfew come and done. I'm gonna get the lion. Maki, show where you give me quick because curfew will come. Here ticket, show where you give me. We can't do no match. Curfew. We are trying to go up on the board. Curfew, me under curfew. Trot on me case and show when I give me under curfew. Yes, me under curfew. 16 start. Yes. And at the end of the day, it start. So me I tell them before them tell you no. I mean, I get nothing. I ask the person to come over and pay me. Before you're inside already. Maki Tank and the good old girl over there, some boys. The good Good boys them. Curfew start already. But if me get one more, me might can overcome it. Yeah. Curfew. 6:07. I'm not to be seen outside at 6. Ignite my warmer. Come lend me something, me borrow something. And before, you know, hear show comes in the background. Come on, no wicked. Uno go and tell life for content, say dog people come for the dog. Shukum's gone, I'm godmother. With cage, food, everything. Come on, no wicked. Cause uno hear the dog back for 2 days. Cause remember, you know, uno not watching on, send a friend them for watch. Oh, we not hear the dog. Okay, then we can do a topic tomorrow. Rosalie. And them gone with the dog, yeah, the dog this, the dog analyze and all type of foolishness. But me I tell you from now, Shukum's gone for a vacation down to him godmother. She gone her godmother. Coming on no wicked. Appear wicked out over here. So when I hear Shukum's gone and the cage gone too. The lie like dog. Hey, someone really forgot. I said, hey, your thing say, you may not tell me I'm a nice, clean man, an actor. Someone lie like sure. Pure lie. I want the real actor over here, pure lie, I don't know what I can tell. And talk, no. Pure lie. Then lie, you see? You can't tell the one when I have no credibility. A liar. When she attack, no liar, so I don't believe she. She attack till she drop down, I don't want to hear it. Lie, and lie. I don't know over there. And I told the play, I love mix up, you know. You them not no go so. Liar, lie. You soon hear liar say earthquake I come and tie that way, but me never say it from me born. I got struck all underneath me. And sometimes I have to ask them if them have man. Don't have man. She SQ them. Shot we a child with the 200k mark. Some people want to have man. No, because when in my business day, you don't have to have no man. You saw you're tired of it, come and tell me, because tsunami, the one about appear dust, it just got so appear dust. The lie, you can't stand liar. Liar, them tell me what me run. Hey, some of them pan TikTok, if me see them, if me a do a bush and say me come here sit tonight, pure lie them walk and tell them over here. And they lie, me say TikTok and they lie this. Well, social media lie overall, that's why I live in the internet. And the one they wanna, you see the one they wanna like you. I would even say the one they wanna like you. You see the dunce people in the net, and them all alone walk and sit down and believe the foolishness. The dunce people in the net. Them alone walk and believe the foolishness because you gotta tell me say me under curfew and me a go out. Why me that show say me gone out? That don't even make no sense. You know so when I lie down no stupid. If a person under curfew, come talk about it tomorrow. You know. If a person under curfew, I'm gonna go out. Why would I show that I'm going out? That makes sense. You know, so when I lie, everything what you say I lie. A pure lie she tell. Liar, she lie. Well, she the name July. She the name from TikTok liar to July. Mrs. Liar, pure lie. And people come tell. Me remember the day when you did convince me say Peter Gelry when I pay. Me know you lie. Come and get your first son. That's why nothing what you say me to listen to you. And anybody will call me phone but time me a black or no. Anybody at all call my phone and say you say I black them. Me serious about it. Me serious about it. Anybody call my phone and say lie, I say. And that person say black. Don't call my phone. Lucifer, me now ask me get her first son. Back in the them same time, yeah. When me a job I said fall out now one of the year them and I went near to my birthday. And I saw them sit down and make up Peter Gay's story. And she convinced me. And I lie shot help on Jabas. I saw they eat it and the moment me eat it, me did believe because me did eat it. I saw me sit down and realize I lie them and tell on Jabas, me shame. Me shame like dog. Me look upon somebody and tell somebody say Jabas, if Jabas don't even want to forgive me, I can't. If Jabas don't even want to forgive me, I cannot blame him. Come for the people that try to tear down the door and not no gusto. And me is not like that. Me wasn't that type of person. Me's not that type of person. If me have beef, me saw me I say and keep it moving. Me no need not. After my time, I saw me trace over here. When me argue with you, me look for you and tell you false. You these rip it up and keep it moving. Me not going to dictionary and Bible verse and them the long story there. I want to go in your past, present, and future for telling me mine. I sit down and convince me about the boy. Right now, every hour I talk to Jabas, I still have a linger in the back of my head. Rosalie, me no fix Jabas forgive you. I want my call back when I say Jabas, me sorry, Jabas a rose back. But you know, I mean the really trouble is still, you know. Me still all know, me still have doubts in my life. So Jabas don't forgive me. I know. Me still have the doubt. Him don't trust me to an extent. Because I follow them and tell lie on him. And I lie. I'm if I walk with that through the long book of life. Every day it hurt me. But just not talk it. You know, she lie. Me know you know from she. Nobody call my phone but she. Nobody. So me know me get she first and I want she and the whole of them are some wicked set of people. I appear like them tell. And note it in mind. She will pay people to come on the internet and tell a lie. That's so she great. She will pay people to come on the internet and lie. Anybody will serve our platform, pure lie at them, lie them and tell. Me now ask you not tell me I tell you no. Because I remember Peter Gay's story. And she come to me with it. And I know. I want here now. So Jabba's birthday was gone and at the time I want here now. And I know the boy can't get a tip. Not even. Boy, me I tell you say. Boy. Someone know where I take information from the people them. On TikTok, if it not sound well too, no stop deliver it. Cause I mash up on the platform. But I don't leave certain story alone. Yeah. Someone where I take information from people and leave it alone. Because you can't spread the rumors from people when they make no sense. And at the end of the day, just sell after clout and hype and views and allow and tell. I saw no walk and tarnish people name on and stop. I say someone in over here go bitrish. You think a girl, don't think a girl busting a chicken and you meet a bit so someone in go bitter. Fear over here. I want to see people hate them for no reason and tell pure lie upon them. You look on the lie, man. Sure. Yeah, in them time, yeah. Me can't keep alive in peace appear sub live. And them sit down and them rip up the boy and them rip the boy go and them rip the boy come. And them rip up Jabas go and them rip up Jabas come. I wanna check a stock. I don't check a stock. Me say to myself, so then if something not go so I don't know many girls, I don't want to stop to talk at them don't want them have it talk for about 1 week, 2 week, 1 week, for me and me are going to June. So I say almost 3 weeks. Them like them want the story at the internet. I want to sit down and I dissect in my mind and I say, if something goes so, I don't want me to believe. All I have to do, lock shut and do enough to do. Buy the books. I know buy the books can't come. When you just start not all no go so, I just lie. Till the story done with, quell with, I know you're not more about it. That's what she evil. Liar. I love your business. Liar. Lie. Most people got prison to on a liar, so over here, that's why I'm not following up. Anything you want, say, Kayan, come lend me some, Kayan. Kayan Beauty, come lend me something. Trot, everybody will put, me appreciate, you know. Trot, we are look too Insta-style on the party and. Somebody can lend me the line for the more before 6:30. Me are going because I'm there for 6 o'clock curfew, me should be there, so. Go to my house. I pay like them tell. Trot me, I look some galaxy and some money gone. Kayan, come lend me some Kayan. Kayan and have none for sponsor the first a month. Nobody else can sponsor me for the me I look too Insta Stella. Who the water rate? Toilet can't flush. I wanna follow the page and tell me it's 400k me I keep on party. I look something to pay the water rate, I want to flush the toilet more often. I wanna sub. Me I look some subscriber too. Chat me I look some subscriber. I can't over every day and I want sub $10 give rose and so not team rose. Me I look some subscribe more people type to me. Theodore want me let me some auntie. Me I look some subscriber. Me I look some I want everything. Me I scrape. Oi! Yeah, galley! Oh, yeah, go. You get cute. Trot me, I look 2 subscriber. When you can't over every day and I want to subscribe for type. You can't fathom that. If I even that, can't flush your toilet and buy 2 pounds of sugar. Because sometimes I wake up with a little gas pain. One poop and can't poop. So follow the page if you not follow the page. And we can drop $5 scrub for the one over there wanna like gift sub. And for the one who can't there or can't give for the one who can't there can't sub, tap his screen. But when you can't sub. Hello. How are you? You're okay? Me get the lion, me I go in. Me not make no police come lock me up right here, so I finally sub. You never did sub a long time, blessing. Hey, area. You do much of shit. Why? Sub if you can't sub. Me I look 3 justice at the piece. Yeah. Spend one long time out the door. Man, I feel like I drink one Red Bull. I'm not drinking more rum for the afternoon, you know. I breeze out in here. Chocolate is gone. But you can't sub. Yes, up on this page, Mr. Catchface, see me attack. What do every minute, some man? You see me I talk to the people them, I'ma say come. I do the most. You know what we don't talk to the people them? More somebody can buy more veranda chair for my birthday. No, veranda chair. Look, I have to go overnight food for got up in here. Oh, that SQ. What am I gonna? Why? Why SQ? We send one more. We gotta get a tiger gift. I pure things are going over. That's June 1st. No more rum. Me not drink. I kind of feel tipsy. No. So. Me drink some water? Me not drink no water. Me not drink no water. Me not drink no water, my love. Me not drink no water. I miss my man. Watch SD she. I miss my man. Me not drink no more. About half glass of rum me drink. Me not drink no more. Shot. We are look two little gift. You know that already. A party time again. Chat, we are trying to go open at the ranks. I know we can reach 200K.
Hi, Rosalie.
Hello. You're out eating.
This is Spencer Pratt, the mayor, is about to be the mayor of Los Angeles City
Tomorrow night.
tomorrow night.
Congratulations, Spencer Pat.
Thank you very much.
You want to play one game?
How are you? Huh?
You will be the first game. We can do one game if you want.
Rosalie.
Go. One game.
Go to them here, please.
I think you are a very, very super lucky person. I didn't accept nobody's request.
I mean him Akim wife.
Be very respectful here. Okay.
First gift.
Uncle Jerry.
Chat first gift.
Bro, they about to go banana here.
This is it?
That is cool.
Chat first gift.
Okay, who has a glove in here, guys?
First gift chat. Chat, we can meet the man at 25K.
Hey,
Jesus Christ.
Brandon, you want to watch the game?
It's a big dollar. He's watching on his phone. He's locked in.
He's logged in. He's watching the game. Who has a glove in here, guys? What did you get a lion?
None of your business. Focus. I don't want you to lose in front of Spencer, you know. That's gonna be nice for your portfolio.
Oh, you gonna lose. Me and Spencer not gonna lose. Me and Spencer not gonna lose.
We were waiting for the speed.
We're fighting for his speed to
Oh,
get.
you waiting for
We're about to
Spencer?
crush you. Who has a guys? Who has a glove in here? Who has a glove?
Don't get so much with boo-boos.
We just need one glove. Who has a glove?
Shell, she had the chop, go run
Nancy, use your glove at 30 seconds of the speed challenge. It's over. Nancy, use your glove at 30 seconds of speed. It's over, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching the greatness.
Yeah.
And that's the greatness today, not me. That's the greatness.
Spencer! Woo!
This is just, I needed this energy. We got this lovely lady clapping for me.
We not have gloves can drop. Then if we go to our restaurant, you know, I go to our restaurant, go eat. Fat gloves. Chat with the double. Look them nuggets. Come on, a chat. Yes, everybody for work together. It's a teamwork. We mash them up. Gloves. Gloves shot. Chat, don't watch them score for work together. We can't put
Okay,
them
here we go. We got the
at
glove.
Come on, a chat.
Double time serve,
Gloves,
guys.
you know. Come on, a team.
Ooh, I got that new vault. You don't know what's coming out of the vault, so it's always fine.
But they know what we do.
No, but we don't.
Well, we do.
Embarrassment.
That's the first one. We haven't seen the second and third one.
Ooh, you can lie. Mama, please.
The embarrassment of 5,000
Mama,
people.
please.
Not more gloves.
Charlie.
Yeah, no more gloves. Shot gloves. We not more gloves shot. Boy. We not more gloves team. Gloves.
That one is.
Still look good.
Mama B-A-Z, Charlie.
That's we not
I
more
know,
gloves.
Rage. Thank you so much. Guys, somebody used a glove in the last 25.
Shot we not check on the gift box shot.
I'm sure it goes like so dumb.
Janice, usually.
Gloves. Come on, no rose. Come on, chat. Click on the gloves and shoot. Chat, say no, we can send and try. Come on, chat. Chat, say no, we can send and try. We have the more gloves. It a work. Say no, we can't send chat. We can't reach 200 now. Jesus Christ. The first of June. Bumbo. Gloves. We have more gloves. Check on the gift box and drop gloves. Even have me. Check on the gift box and drop gloves. Check on the more gloves. Check on the gift box. No rose. Try to click on the gloves and shoot and try. Guys, a teamwork do it. Try me team. Try. Puss Anak with Galaxy anything. Lion anything. Universe. Come on and chat. Came with the ball out my throat all in front of the mirror in Los Angeles. Me. I'm going to do it. Me now go ball out my throat all in front of the mirror of Los Angeles. The mirror. Me. Now go do it. Boy, I charge 5,000 away. It's a disgrace. Boy, Ali, you don't name pretty boy for nothing.
Mama B, thank you so much.
Everybody thank you so much my side. Rochelle, thank you.
Mama B, thank you.
Ronin.
Raino Rage, Charlie, AZ, Alexander, Wanted, Uncle Jerry, thank you so much.
Everybody will chop, thank you.
Tropic, Amber, Scorpio, and Kitty. We got one glove here. Akeem, thank you. Roselli,
You want to play
thank you
one
so
more?
much. What do you say?
Come here. What? Play one more for good luck. Tomorrow is campaign. Last year.
I mean, you do you. You are. This is you do you.
Mr. Spence, I want to say you're amazing and you're great. And tomorrow, phenomenal. I want
It's
you
good energy.
to say,
Okay, let's go.
That's good energy.
Mama B, Raino Rage, thank you.
We'll take that. We'll take that blessing.
Rosalie is on her good behavior today.
Let's have Parliament next week.
No bad word, no bad
No
word.
bad word, no.
No
I
bad
get
word.
Come on, team of 5,000 over here in the chat. Come on, team first gift times 3. Chat, everybody have a send on. You can send from now on the first speed. Work together, chat. Come now, we can't ball out. Chat, remember, we cannot ball out. And we are going to lose. We have to play together. I swear, we are going to lose. That can't win. We want to give him streaks. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Pussy clot. Boy, chat. This come to one another. Everybody thank you, no. No, for true, me I got parliament. Me for to look, but me do me do more ship. What me go do in the parliament? Me soon go. I can't do nothing. If we not try, we not go lose. Embarrass myself. Okay, help out. 5,000 a week. I go restart. A peer crowd that we not get nothing. See the triple I then? You can't run him down chat teamwork. If we get 5,000 Galaxy, you know him can't win. Teamwork. That means that everybody has to like me. We could work together, chat. We want two and not. Chat, if you use a time streak, I remember we don't have no gloves. We work together, chat. Chat, me go put.
I got it. No, bro.
Triple.
No, I got it.
Come on my side. Everybody put my side. Use a times 3. Use a times 3, chat. That a triple chat when I
I
reach
need for
him.
president.
Come on, chat. Come on, team. Come on, team. You want to get one love now? You want to laugh off with your ass.
You gotta take a picture and go out.
That triple is a teamwork. Teamwork, do it.
Guys, use that triple. Yo. Mama B. Mama B. We're gonna come back, bro. She knows she's gonna get that line. She's getting that line, but see, I told you, bro, she's gonna come back.
Snipe.
Times 3.
Snipe.
Oh, Peck.
Why?
Okay, somebody use that.
We'll take shame out of the eye. Chat, when I have 1-1 Galaxy can put. Chat, when I have 1-1 Galaxy can put, chat. Chat, when I have 1-1 Galaxy can put. When I have 1-1 Galaxy can put, chat, we can run down at 132. Come on my side, we can run down at 132. We not no more Galaxy chat. We not a Galaxy, we not a money gun my side. We can run him down at 132. Chat, we can run him down at 132. We carry on at 132 chat. Galaxy and money gun. Galaxy money gun and guys, we can't push up the score. Send on we can't send chat. We must reach him. We can run him down a cappella. Chat, send on we can't send them not paying attention. We can work together chat. Anything we can put chat. Come on, my yes, we want 32 more Galaxy now chat. But if I push send it, I will send anything. Work together, come chat, work together. Come on guys, we can't win him if we work together. Come on my side, we can't win him if we work together. Work together my side. Work together my side. Work together my side. Work together on my side. Work together on my side. Come on, chat. Work together. Come on, team. We can't reach him. Come on, chat. Galaxy Anna money gun do not. Come on, chat. Puss wheel rat cat and mat. Come on, chat. Come on. If we have a gloves, drop it. Chat send when we can't send him and push up the score. We can't win. Everybody can come by one big snipe. Come on, my side. Come on, team. Team, it easy, you know. Could them laugh half away. Chat, we can't snipe. We have one universe and one lion. Chat, 40 minutes left to go. Chat, we don't have no gloves. Lord God. Come on, chat, with 20k away in a team. Boy. Chat, me could drop, everybody drop a snipe. Chat, 26 seconds. Everybody drop a snipe. Sexy family can come on, guys. Everybody drop a snipe. Snipe. We're not going at all. We're not going to win. We can't snipe. We're not going to win. Why we're not going at all? We're not going to win at all. So look how this is. And look good for my boat. Everybody thank you. One love, everybody thank you. Sexy Triangle, Loyalty, Maki, Marshall. So everybody thank you now. Everybody thank you now. Great games.
Okay. Oh wow.
It's competitive these days. That's crazy.
It is very competitive.
I'm very competitive.
But I mean, we just sitting here just getting 40. It's crazy. Mama B, Deanna, Tropic, Trey, Scorpio, Ida, Janice, Kitty, Amber. You're number 40 and Pop 25. Guys, if you haven't sent a heart me, send a heart me. If you haven't followed this account, follow this account. And we are here with Spencer Pratt.
Spencer Pratt, good. Bye bye. Ali, I see
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
I
It
see you
was,
later.
yeah, it was great to meet you.
Okay.
See you later. Okay.
See you later.
Happy executive people may walk at me. You know, say me one lucky blessed girl. Yes. So me meet Spice. Me and Cartel son link up. Me meet Isaac the Great, Isaac Buchanan. No, me meet Spencer Pratt. Just see why I'm never follow them over here, the mayor of Los Angeles. Yeah. Very important. It's and then all the old eating and him say, and me make him accept the match. If I never did me, Gram Smart, I never did me. If I never did me, he wouldn't accept it. Yeah. Who's that girl? And then Jamaica pay Tory. Lad. About the tank, you know. About the tank, you know, chat. Yeah, because we don't want to extra crowd over here when I get nothing to pay what you come watch up your business. I want to know, but me I look for first and go get somebody to play with she. Hello?
What's up? Long time. Hold on.
What?
Tia,
What's up?
you don't miss me. I miss you. Oh God.
Me
You
dey
want play?
here.
Want play a couple batch?
You play one best out of three. Come.
All right,
Send the
come.
match.
All
So
right,
I go so
watch
we
this.
can beat your queen today.
Yeah, you probably can't beat me for true, because I do my local content, but boy. All right, you can't go and mute me still, you know. All right, sis. All right, chat. Me said Nick done. All right,
Chat, me go use the first gift times three. As soon as 7 o'clock. Boy, I chat to 130. 136K. Chat, use the first gift times three. Triple chat. Chat, use the times three. Use the times three team. Team, if you use the times three. Chat first gift times three. Chat first gift times three. Watch ya. So look good for me. Boy. This not look good for me. This not look good for me. Chat, one and out. Thank you so much, team. Try me to use a double. Chat me to use a double chat. Chat me to use a double. Why? So look good out of 3,000 people. So look good at pay country band. Look good. No lie, no look good. Oh, my back. Chat we can't snipe. We can't snipe chat. Oh, go over Roger next. Chat we can't snipe, chat we not no gloves. Chat me could snipe, no chat me could snipe, me could snipe. Chat snipe, 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 snipe. Snipe chat, snipe, snipe. Boy, it's not look good for me. Snipe chat, snipes. No one have a post chat. Chat we not have a post. Boy, thanks team. Thank you, babies. Boy, thank you so much. Chat first gift times 3. Can't win here, so. We play too much and we don't win. First gift times 3, chat. First gift times 3. First gift times 3, chat. Chat first gift times 3. Tandy, thank you. First gift times 3, chat. Sexy Changi, thank you. First gift times 3, chat. Chat, we not have 2 wheel, we not have a post. Chat, we can't win. Boy. Can't win no way. So we play countless match and we don't win nothing. Don't win. We're gonna go over just sooner or later. Chat, we are look 2 and hard. Chat, we are look 2 and hard. Chat, we can't get 2 and hard. Thank you, Dance Kitchen. No, it's true. Can't win a blow. Ow, ass. Chat, we could use a double. We can't win. Dance Kitchen, Tracy, thank you. Come on, my side, we could use a double, use a double, use a double. So we can win and get 1 gloves. And thank you. Use the double chat. We go help out and not chat. If I even some do not come, but Andrea, thank you. Use the double chat. Chat, we have to use the double and try. Try my team. Andrea, thank you. Come on my side. Help out Andrea with two local Galaxy. Juicy Free, thank you. Chat, make use the double. Use the double. Use the double. Chat, use the double. China. Use a double, use a double, use a double, chat, use a double. Use a double, use a double, use a double. Chat, we now have 6 Galaxy, can't put it over there. We also can put over 30K, chat. We now have nothing more upon the double. And thank you. We can't snipe, chat, we can't snipe. Why? You know, left me in a cool at that trip here. Chat, we can't get 2 Galaxy. We'll go over Roger, do or die. Chat, we can't get 2 Galaxy. And thank you, we can't get 2 Galaxy, chat. Thank you for the Galaxy, my baby. Chat, we can't get 2 Galaxy. We can't get 2 Galaxy, chat. Chat, we can't get 2 Galaxy and put over 30K. We are trying to see if we can rate it and play. Chat, we can't get 2 more Galaxy, chat. If we can combo some donut, combo some donut. Not even a fragment I don't have. Gaza Essence. I don't have a fragment. I put in some serious so that we can no fragment we don't have. I will go back in our A1 league. We're not still in an A1 league, but we want back we fragment them. Try to lose all fragments. All we want now are the party on and the university gallery. Candy loyalty, too cute. Everybody thank you so much. And everybody, God's child, everybody thank you so much. Joy to the world. My tappers, everybody thank you so much. So try the match at 1-1. 1-1. So the winner wanna win the series, the best out of 3. If the winner wanna win the best out of 3, chat. So with the 1-1, everybody thank you. With the 1-1, everybody thank you so much. If the winner wanna win the series, with the 1-1. With the 1-1 team, if the winner wanna win the series. 1-1 team, 1-1. Chat first gift times 3. God's child, thank you. First gift times 3, chat. Chat, every winner wanna win the series. First gift times 3. First gift times 3, chat. First gift times 3. China, first gift times 3. Everybody have used the first gift times 3, chat. Times 3, times 3, times 3. Chat times 3, times 3. Everybody have used the times 3. Chat, we after them a come, them a come, them a come. We have a post chat. We have the body with a post times 3, times 3, times 3, times 3. We have a wheel can snipe chat. We have a local post. Snipe chat. Neck and pint. The lady them over there now look with blouse. Them not look with blouse. Neck and pint, my team. The lady them over there not letting go away with blouse, me there. Them not letting go with blouse, them not letting go with top. You see that? Neck and pint. We have to work together, team. Chat, we look too honored. Neck and pint. Chat, we look too honored, catch your speed. Chat double. Virgo, baby, chat double. Thank you, Virgo. Thanks, chat. Chat double. Chat, we have to use the double. We have to use the double. Use the double, chat. Use the double, chat, and leave her. Use the double and leave her. Chat, we have to use, everybody have to shoot on the double and leave her, chat. Come on, my side, have to use the times 2. We are trying to win the series. Come on, chat. We can't, chat, we not have a 2-wheel. Chat, we have to try, go over more blue. Chat, we have to try. We not have the money going on the galaxy. I think I have Greece. We are trying to win, but boy. If we work together, team is a teamwork, do it. Chat, if we work together, them a come. Come on, my side, them a come, snipe. Snipe, chat, snipe. Yeah, big enough. 1-6, I would show 5, we say big enough. Lie me, I tell chat. We are play Ludi, I would show 1-6, I would show 4, we say big enough. Big enough, my side. Whoever globes can drop it. Whoever globes can drop it. Whoever globes can drop it. Whoever globes. Chat, we have a globes can drop it. Chat, we have a globes. Whoever globes can drop it. Chat, we have a globes can drop. Anybody have a globes? Anybody have a gloves for the last 30 seconds? Anybody have a gloves shot? Who them are people that text on my phone in the night, man? Chat, we not have no gloves. We not have a gloves chat. It's not a good power portfolio. Who that? Thanks, yeah, my team. Shorty, bless Annette Walker, Angie, everybody, thank you so much. We do appreciate it.
When you no dropping gloves, brown eyes, you don't dropping gloves. Arthur, thank you so much. Brown eyes, you didn't drop the gloves, sweetie. Where's she gone? Arthur, thank you so much. Third eye, Sante Brown eyes, Seaton sister, Summer, Mario, Six,
Thank you so
Frederick,
much, my
and this
side.
person, Chusdan. Thank you so
Come,
much.
come play one more,
Why is she
Queen.
now? Hold on there, Rose. My mouse is broken.
Chat will lose all
God,
fragment. No, for
this
sure,
is.
we'll
I
lose
need to
the
figure out how
fragment.
to. Rose.
Hmm?
Alright, sis, you beat me up, man.
I try to look back 2 fragment.
See, so I'm gonna take 4 days off. So I'm gonna keep
Yeah,
it
fragment
push.
them gone.
Yeah, all of mine gone too. Me in a A2 with none.
Not
Drop
been
out
an
a
A1 with none.
Yeah, me drop out a A1. I'm there. I look like one of them people.
Chat me I look 2 fragment, me can't leave the fragment them. Come Queen, if I chat me if I look all of the fragment them gone.
Alright, come we could play again.
Yeah.
Alright, chat. Let's do a vote through the chat, please. Chat, whatever we can do, we can do. We lose the series though, but we could go and play. Cause boy, my 4 days off. Yo, you know when you don't stream for like 2 days, streaming is very. I gotta go to YouTube. I need to start doing content, and just doing music content because this TikTok shit. Chat, I don't know. I've been going
Chat
hard.
first
It's like
gift
when you take
times 3. First gift times 3, chat. Chat first gift times 3. Fragment them gone to Ross. Chat first, boy. Don't have too money gone. No, for sure, chat. It's a look good team. Boy. Just don't look good power portfolio up. The system. Sometimes the system will jerk we. It's a times 3 again. But when the system will jerk we, we got jump off and come back on by 8. Anything will give it us satisfy. And leave by 10:30, 11. Yeah. But what we gonna do? 9 euros shop, you can't do nothing more. We still job short at universe. Chat, we still job short at universe. We want the university gallery. And the 2 party on. Maki, thank you. Chat, we could use a triple. We are try back look 2 fragment. Sharon, Angie, come on guys, we could use a times 3. Chat, we can use a times 3 chat. We can use a times 3. We can help out Maki and Sharon. The team. John, thank you. Chat, we can help out chat. We have more money gone. We are look 16K if we make it put that 400. Chat, we have not more. Team, thanks. We want 14 more guys to put that 400. Why? I try. I put the 1 part and come back, come catch 1 part. Reset and put the 1 part. Yeah. Cause we come back, we not do no whole part chatting a game we are play. It's not like. Or we come back, we not do bag of talking. A game we are come back, come play. I said me I think about. Oh, if an important phone call, I'm gonna make it. So I look two party and for the on and on for the gallery and the universe. My back give me a warm time. I say see me lie down the tattoo, give me a warm time. Maki, thank you, Angie Tandy. Everybody thank you so much that participate. My tappers them thank you. Oh, with 400k, we are doing a 400k party. Everybody thank you. It's still kind of, yes, still kind of swelling. It touch me, touch it, it hurt me. Like one little lump in it, so. It swell, but it not swell, but I'm gonna touch it so it still hurt me.
Play the next one.
Alright, come. I'll play the last one.
Alright, yeah, same song. Alright, we're gonna play one more Rose and then we're gone.
Chat, come last match shot.
Come chat.
Chat first, give time straight last match. And then we'll come on later. Chat first, give times 3. First, give times 3, chat. Chat first, give times 3. Why it's not good? Chat first, give times 3. Thank you for the money gun, babes. Why? You have to run. Andrea again, the black of the berry, the sweet of the juice. Juicy free. It's not a good power portfolio. That means what system reject we. It's not lie. Oh, I am so blessed. My soul is at rest. Ooh, Lord, give you thanks. Thanks. I give you thanks. Chat one more Rose. Chat me could use a double. Chat double. Chat, we can use a double chat. Chat, me could use a double. Me could use a double. Double. Andrew, thank you. Chat, me could use a double. Chat, we can use a double. 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 Use a double my side. Use a double my side. Use a double my side. Chat, me could use a double. Me could use a double. Me could use a double. Chat, me could use a double. Use a double chat. 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 Chat, we can't use it up. We don't have no more Galaxy team. We don't have no more Galaxy. We don't have no more money gone. I am so blessed. Chat, we look 9 more Galaxy team. Chat, we look 9 more Galaxy. Everybody thank you so much. I am so blessed. All right, everybody thank you so much.
Yeah, Chad, thank you so much, Chad. We've officially got a fragment that we can hold on to.
Yeah, may I look 1 too.
Hear me, Chad? Thank you.
All right, Queen later.
All
I
right,
see you
Rose,
later.
later.
Baby.
Yeah, I'm gonna be on later.
Um,
All right, Bams. All right, Chad, listen.
Chat, we can't get 9 Galaxy team. Yeah, your sister Galaxy. Chat, we can't get 9 Galaxy team. You get the something? I know that may come, but you get the something?
Thank you, my baby.
So you never said that. You never text me and said that.
I was busy, girl. I had a whole long night ahead of me.
Your
What's up?
sister girl. What
Wow.
you get?
Yes, I already place, sister girl. So, thank you, my baby. See, all right. What you over there going with?
Not that thing, but just go and look.
Just so.
2 gift, yeah.
Come and play now. Try to not beat Steve and Farrows if we do.
Me? I don't think you can do that.
Trust me, girl, we can. Trust me, we can.
First gift time street chat.
That first, missing out to my, you will treat me like you don't miss me then, no, bro. Just the point me miss him.
That
Just
first
so.
gift time street.
First triple team.
First gift time street chat. Queen, thank you. Come on my side. First gift time street.
Bro. Gone, man. Come back and
First
need
gift
it.
time
Ashley,
street.
thank you. Chat, first gift
First gift
triple.
time street chat. First gift time street.
Oh, Rosalie, me can't turn up. Hey! I hate me
And thank
like.
you, TT.
I said, I'm gonna do
First gift
that. I
time
said, I know.
street. So no fall off quick.
How much I done me in? We're doing business. We're doing business. All right, now, man.
Yeah. I found when you account money. We're gonna be busy, I gotta do.
Don't cut them ball when me come back officially. I bomb blood clot.
Yeah.
And when me come back up play birthday match, I'm not doing it because it's an embarrassment. That's why I'm not do them something there. How much years me dey pay, I never do that over one time yet. Me not do them something there, bro.
You talk, so you not do it.
Oh,
Me they lose my last time I pay my birthday match, me they lose, you know, but me never feel no
that me
way.
can't manage. Me can't
Me
manage.
they lose, but me just hold me lose. Me never feel no way. Me they lose.
Can't manage that there. But you not lose this one at this time though. I want you to play this time.
Now me my man.
Oh, you're gonna lose, man. I'm gonna beat you.
Me I take him down on my birthday.
Oh, I see that.
You
Double
go
chat.
chat use a double.
Double.
Chat double. Chat back for use it. Chat we not have no more Gallic.
Hi. Why? Hi. T-Love, baby. Thank you. Thank you, T-Love. Thank you, Honey Bunny. Thank you.
Chat this one look good.
Thank you, Honey Bunny. Thank you. It look good, man. It look good. It look good. It look good. I be my beam. I be my beam. I be my beam. Stop. I'm coming in fast. Lights on green. I be my beam. T-Love, thank you, my
Chat we
baby.
not have no more Galaxy. We
Love,
can't
man,
get
love,
3
man.
more Galaxy
You know,
chat.
must sweet me. You know, you know, must sweet me.
Chat we can't make with 2 Galaxy.
T-Love, me love my baby. Thanks, yeah, girl.
And they can't make a 2. Me go away now. Me not go stay so I get nothing. Me not go turn so I get nothing. Me. It's them put me on number 3.
It's not a birthday match, man. Me just play too much. Or birthday match. No, go on, bro. Someone ask me a question in my youth. You like that? I go on like you say nothing to my girl. Go on, where you go?
I forgot go away.
I mean, I tell him, man, say, say, that's what T-Love go to work, man. T-Love don't play about me.
And thank you.
Oh, my Rose, I know me not do birthday match and say for a long
Chat me I
time.
look 6 Galaxy for go away.
Me said, oh, Rosie girl. But you know, we understand the circumstances, you know.
I don't want to do one trip now.
We go for it.
No small
I
island.
think for him, I'm going to Rosie for tell you the truth, you know, girl. You want to go Colombia
I know where we can go.
or Brazil?
I'll
You don't want a visa for go to Brazil, you know?
No,
We want to
no.
go to a country where nobody not understand what them a say. So nobody not understand what them a say, and you not understand what me I say, and me not understand what you are saying. So nobody not understand nobody a bomb buckler. They say Ebola there Brazil, we're not going down there.
When you have Ebola.
And something where make your job and dead.
That means I
That's
play
it.
dirty girl down there.
Yeah, I said, and they pretty and so pretty blood clot girl, but then
I tell you, say when you see a dirty girl, say Ebola.
forever one baby girl, big up, you know. Peru, them country there, bro. Even by Igbo, Jabba's Chrissy TV. Yeah, I call them that you go suck your mama.
Yeah, like, me ever that about Christy. Me never know who that.
I call them not my girl. I call bring people mix up.
Me know who that. Me know who
And so think every any mix up me going on, you know. Mix up
Word
hard.
dog. I know me can't get the ads, but me I wait for bring it down for the 26th now.
My darling, and if you not get for me and me and them I play match every morning, y'all get for you. Me love. T-Love, thank you, my baby. Nina Chin, thank you. Let me see who else there again now. Let me see who else there. Because I look for all like people, let me know, bro. As I T-Love, me can't let him out none at all, you know. I look for all like people, I watch you, you know. I know I'm playing, but I'm not playing no blood clot official match on Sunday. Regular day, me the fan. Able one, you know, nothing for me, bro. I'm birthday, you know. I'm my birthday, you know, Able. First triple chat. Oh, for that clot!
Chat triple. Positive.
Thank you, baby.
Come on, I try to get the time street.
Birthday.
Thank
Birthday
you.
gift tag. Oh, more
Use the
clot.
time street. Use the time street. Use the time street.
Forever, thank
Come
you.
on, chat. We
First,
can't
me I
help
get that,
out.
you know. Thank you, title. First, me I get that, you know, darling.
That's gonna say I made the word go for. Come on, chat.
Title gift. When is it the name?
Boy.
When is it the name? We don't know this name, no.
So look good.
I'm a done to a done. Body, no, man. You know, his style, you know, I love you, know. One crocodile, you know, tough. One more clad. Tough. Yeah, Val gift them. Me had to get Val gift over here, you know. I come like once the people control the Val them, bro. Body, no, man. Too, no. No, it go. Tough, you know. TikTok mobile, I want hypocrite, you know. Come here about no 1, 2, 3, you know, pussy. Lift up, you know.
1, 2, 3.
You know, see, I bring me down in the comment section, batty boy. And what if you come up here, see? No, show me the tired forever, man. Me the tired.
Chat that look too hot.
And show you all the activity them on the weekend, bro. You know? Yeah, man. Tonight I get me the club, sit down, I go and chill with my people, them, bro. So I'm gonna say them I come through later, go drink. Over there. Busy me. Mara, what? Let me tell you, I'm not really fussy for my birthday and then something. Let me tell you the truth, you know. I swear, I'm not really fussy. You know, like some fussy and they all out and I'm not really fussy, bro. You come like a regular day for me,
Now
bro.
when was your birthday?
Not today.
The June 1st, you born?
Yeah. How can you question to ask me, Rosalie?
Chat double.
I went about the 12. So
Chat double.
how me know that and you don't know for me? How with the rascal, Lord? Fully in a risky.
Chat, it's alright. I'm gonna leave Jabba. Me not gonna sing us with 2,000 people and can't win Jabbas. Me I go circle back here, so no worry.
Yo, forever big up, you know. You know what thing going on. Mara, thank you. Shade, thank you.
Me I
Shade,
gonna make,
D,
me I gonna
too,
make
thank
him
you.
play more. And the last one, me I play.
Thank you.
Me could have a really sing over here, so I make Jabbas beat me.
So gifts,
Yeah,
yeah, man. All month a gift for me, man. All month a gift. All whole of June a gift. Every day on my birthday. Eat boss. Come now, come give me no bro. I'm to you.
Me
On
I
my
circle
birthday,
back, so.
on my birthday, man. Go recharge and come back, yo. Make any ring up a tap.
I like him send me something to make him name him got up.
How many your birthday? The 12th? British and stuff of Gaza.
Me like him send me something too.
The 23rd of May. If you no born after 20, man, we are on see him. A Gemini I run things, that's all.
That's why me not stay here, so with this.
You know what I mean?
Yes,
So you go, Rosie, man. Let me tell you, Rosie. Today a special day and a baby girl, you see me?
I
It's like,
told you a special day.
it's like our last night just fling out $1,000, give me and say, hold that and go on the road. I didn't
Don't
really
mix me up here and stop tell people that. You know where you have to don't mix me up. I'm gonna get told from video.
Oh, yeah. Thanks to your $1,000, girl. I love. Eh?
What if you look for you? No way I talk about.
But I mean, I like do. I just say, Ruru just send. I just say, Ruru just send. So I say, you're powerful, man. Eh? Rosie. Chatty next match, I'm gonna make you score high against you way too. I'm a birthday. Hey, I like this. I want to see that blue moon. I never score for your ass. You know, 'cause you always pull us smoke. So it's my day today. Hey, if the rest of people that tell about on the birthday, I 79 and 89, 99, hate to know. No go on with my chat. I don't know, give me nothing. Where? On the work for me gift gallery, my youth. On the work for me gift gallery, brother. Why am I telling you, youth? So me get the land. So what make them make 2 line? Bro, they be type of style, brother.
Well,
You give gallery them no left from one out of 1 to 2 out of 2, man. Yo.
I want
My
a 2 line you have to get for complete the gift fella reminds I one.
A1 me still in a. Drop out in a say I come every day. Now Jay, big up. Bro, any little thing wanna happen, man, I hold away there, bro.
You fragment Jabbas?
Yeah.
You have a fragment.
Yeah, man, I say me there from winning a rose, man. Let me see. I have 1 more fragment more. I have 22.5K more diamond and I get the next fragment.
My diamond won't forget. Me have none.
You're busy from Rosalie, man. You're not coming, man. Chat, first triple. Everybody shoot on the first triple. I beg you know something, bro. Please,
First
bro.
gift time street chat.
Everybody shoot on the first triple,
I'm
man.
not going to Jabbas none.
You shoot on the first triple, my team, please.
First gift time street chat.
Shoot on the first triple, my team, please. Shoot on the first triple, guys.
First gift time street chat.
Use the first triple team. The rest of people over there, bro. I would jack gloves there. Najee, thank you. Bro, shoot on the first triple, man.
Hey, no chat.
Brother, shoot on the first triple, bro. Where people in the mind? Title, thank you, baby.
Jesus Christ.
Shoot on the first triple, bro.
Triple chat.
Come now, man. Thank you, title. See, gloves are still active. The gloves. Pass over back in square. Leah, Najee, big up. Kiki, big up. That's how you go to work, man. You understand me, Rosie? Rosie, we are passing escort, then I'm telling you now, you're passing.
I know you can pass it, me and quarrel.
You're right, Pana, one now. And so, behind the guineas, I'm going to be your man, the guineas, the magnum, them be a tan. But up shelf, you know, look at them. Try 2 and that, bro. 2 and that, and we get Universe and Lion and bro, and Vault gift. You understand me, bro? Nobody ever can send Vault gift. 2 and that, my team. Bro, 2 and that, 2 and that, 2 and that.
Puffy.
2 and that team, 2 and that.
One more on our team.
I told me not come on from man, you know, my youth. Yo, let me sing a car slip, go. Me slip go Jack be a Universe in your head. Sing a car. Try catch it, bro. Me go on in, bro. I mean, no what I'm doing, my youth. Only embarrassing some man. Najee, big up. Bro, on the top embarrassing my youth. Double my youth and shoot on the double, bro.
That.
Double team.
Use the double, use the double, use the double, use the double, use the double.
Double.
You got tank, use the double, use the double, use the double, use the double, use the double. Come on, my
Nina, thanks, big bro.
Thank you.
Use the gloves and double. Use the gloves and double.
Elbow sugar na chat.
Use the gloves and double. Use the gloves and double.
Janet, thank you.
Use the gloves. Don't make him win, man. Use the gloves and double, bro. Don't make him win.
Bougie. Double chat.
People don't wicked, man.
Chat, use the double, use the double, use the double.
Chat, gloves and double.
Chat, use the double chat.
Your gloves on and shoot her ass.
Use the double chat.
What I laugh to Rosalie? What I laugh to darling? You the chopper them active at a regular day. A month or so, looking as
You think you're gonna win that one, yeah?
Rosalie, if I win right now, me tell Steel of Snipe it one universe, you know. So that's know what we are saying, Rosalie. Remember they're mad over on the Rose. Bronin. I will Slimmers there. Slimmers, come here. You see them here? The VX and the King, so shake up. That them why you do. You serious as something like the Jagan is in no trouble. I'm not saying about this. So the top share. How am I so?
Look at you do, look at.
Looking at me and that ball what we do.
What's happening now?
That's your pen, man.
Yeah, no more pen.
You're over there.
I thank you so much.
Rosalie, they say we play again, Rosalie. They say play again. Somebody come and say play again.
No man, but I never gonna play again. Now come talk about sugar, damn them self play again, like me scared. Afraid of you?
Yo, chat on the chat, come team. Come.
First gift double.
Come me team.
First gift double chat.
Chat, first gift double.
First
Chat,
gift
size
double
up,
my
size up,
side.
bro. First gift double, bro. Chat, me in my life,
Chat,
bro.
first gift double. First gift double.
What? That's nice. Chat, please, want me I hear in my something? How me I hear this in my
Chat
thing?
snipe. Chat snipe.
How me I hear this? What's that? I hear
that,
it?
baby. Here we are going to do classic. Go for the
Rosalie?
onion. Buy the onion, baby. Buy piece and
You
chew.
might try
Classy and
acapella.
browning.
Eh?
You might try acapella.
Yes, there's browning. It's a spice.
Restart.
Great, thank you.
Network, you get gloves. Thank you so much, Network. You get gloves. Ashanti.
Is it brown sugar? We have brown sugar. No, you have curry? Yes, yes. Okay, toothpaste your eye. Toothpaste your eyes.
What the bomb clock, brother?
Toothpaste your eyes. Toothpaste.
So why me I hear
Your eyes,
them
over your
class
eyes.
Double. No, I can't. You know, me have eye problems. Come, toothpaste your nose. Toothpaste your nose.
How the bomb clock this?
Chat, double, triple chat, triple.
Then get a come out and
Triple. Not big care. Chat, please triple chat. Call me. Baby, triple chat.
bro.
That triple chat.
9 rows. 9 rows.
Wait.
She come tell me say King down here call me. What?
Find him. Chat triple.
Chat 9 rows. Bro, they are 9 fuck. I saw them sound man when I'm big. 9 rows chat.
No know about that. Chat make you use the double. I'm gonna reset. Chat we have to use the double. Double boy. That's not good. Why use the double chat? Can't get no fuck go away and come back. So me not stay for me. Not me. Me not gonna stay so with 2,000 people and can't get to my money. Go me what circle back the ground. Not me.
Hey man, Payaka, big up yourself, Payaka, big up. Teal up my baby, thank you.
Yeah, boss, me go circle here.
Yeah, baby. I'm in and out to because
Me not stand with something. Me not stand with something. Me. Worse me back a hat me.
and out of that true man, let me put gift.
No, and that's you know me not go stand. So with so much of them, I not get nothing. So me go circle back here. So I pay fast people if.
I blow me kiss. Blow me so gift. Top blow kiss, girl. You're desperate. Huh?
Can't stand with so much fast people. I pay fast people if.
King Mills, remember you not follow me, no girl, here. So nobody over here so I feel like, hey, girl, no, you do. Alright.
So me go snipe and get her gloves.
Chat on the door, make sure you don't snipe, bro. We snipe.
And
We snipe, bro. Buy a car. Come, we snipe, bro. Be love, beg us something. We snipe, bro.
snipe. Everybody be gonna snipe.
Chat, we snipe, bro. We snipe.
You can get a snipe chat.
Chat to the push up his score, bro.
You can get a snipe team.
Push up his score now, bro. Bro, if I'm not snipe me in this, brother, I'm gonna come back as a till way down, brother. Because this one of my youth. I know that. Till of thanks and baby, and there's a people in there. One man no snipe my youth on top of you can snipe from behind. How long when I play a game? I don't know if you snipe from behind, but my echo. My girl, go on where you going here. I mean, Nudge. Snipe my youth.
Snipe.
Payaka, thank you, bro. Rosalie, later, my baby.
Later.
Chat on.
Chat me soon come. I come back about 8:30. Me soon come team.
Me, damn dying dog. I've let my soul talk. Fuck with your feelings, them way, okay? I say, don't fears. Life is one meaning, live it. You ain't living it, fuck it, you die. Bye. That's it, I'm here, not to cry, but make soul cry. Yeah, ain't no right. Yeah, freestyle. Look. Tell my mama that I'll be great. Cause I give birth to you when you make it this way. That's how I know you were great. Yeah, let my soul talk. Let my soul talk again. One more time. Freestyle.
Are you kidding me?
No, man, say again. Let my soul talk.
I'm just gonna let my
Soul talk, yeah. Let my soul talk. Like street putting in the spark. I don't give a fuck if you wait my talk. Yeah.
I'm gonna
let my soul talk, yeah. Let my soul talk, tell you the truth. From the day I was born, 1980, 7th of February, I was born on a Thursday night in my grandma's house, dog. I never seen a hospital, dog. And the growth from them firm and a strong dog. So nobody tell me nothing but the bright dog. Nah, don't tell you that about dog, nah. Son of body gonna come as life right now. Gonna wanna diss me or diss your life. You wanna stop my food, you're stopping your life. You wanna stop my flow, you're stopping your growth. You wanna stop this getting no doubt. I ain't give a fuck when nobody wanna this and that. I doing me and I doing it cause I know I'm black. Born Jamaican, pot on me chat. Don't know the lyric them bad. Everybody see me, girl, them love all my locks them done. I ain't even know what I'm just saying. I think I tried that shit. I'll speak my truth though. Yeah. Black woman. Yeah. From going to school I never get jack, dog. No boy could have never take my lunch, dog. Much less my money in my pocket. Get my move, dog. Seen a school badness, must be a badness. They are foreign, dog, a straight foreign badness. No pussy test and no acting. I'll make no but done actress. They see me, they start to panic. They're acting like Super Saiyan. Girl spin and bump on it. She's tongue trying. Say you move it like a triton. I say, girl, I don't move out with pagan. First, the more triton, the bottom man.
My soul talk.
Yeah.
I'm gonna speak my truth. My soul talk.
Oh. Cool out there. A while ago, Mr. Man. Yo, let's take it back to the days of the pyramid. How did it do the stone on the pyramid? How did the pyramid? Everybody still manipulated by the pyramid. People still trying to confuse by the pyramid. Man, they realize what's by the pyramid. Eyes of the base that they said that's a pyramid. But I motivate myself from the pyramid. I will stand tall, get hold like the pyramid. Always on the vibe, on the ride like the pyramid. Always getting visits every day like the pyramid. Deep in the pyramid, that's like my soul very deep on the pyramid. Ain't nobody gonna break the flow like the pyramid. You hear this strap that better flat like the pyramid. Look, who try to replicate even the pyramid? Why the reason say the shape of the pyramid? It says the star. It says the sun, it says the moon, it says time we're done. But remember when they say time we're done by the millennium. Fighting each other every day on the fucking ground. Woman cussing woman, bringing woman down. On TikTok I see woman paying man to bring woman down. And man acting like bitch bringing woman down. I see man even beating woman down. But what about the man in that we see get shot down? On this live, yeah, they get back fuck down, and nobody gonna act they never hear the sound. Nobody gonna be a witness. Look, tell myself I'm a rebel, and I'm a rebel for a cause. I'm tired of man, them a beat down woman, cause I see a man give my mother one big stone, dog. Janway break my heart, dog. I couldn't empty the rifle and hit his head, dog. When I went for him, he's already dead, dog. And I still can't get over it, dog. Tell you the truth, dog. That's why I don't like dead, dog. God. Get your top up. The way I'm feeling tempted, I feel like go and dig his grave up and load him up. Old spirit, I just fuck it up. Yeah, that's why I don't like, say no to woman beater. Suck on a mother batty boy. Yeah. Not there, she's not there. I know it's cold out here. I know it's cold out here. The way I see man beat them woman, that's how I know that it's cold out here. I know it's cold out here. Man, I use 28 cutlass. Man, I beat them woman till she fast. I'm hiding from the dark. Yo, hey, pass the box and give me a roll up. Bumper ass glad to me. Yo, killer. I sleep. Oh, wait a minute. I sleep. I can't sleep. If I open the door, will it pull me apart? Yeah. Yo. I'm tired of the light on my ceiling. Yo. Hiding from the dark. Yo, I'm tired of the way they deal with my sister Rose. Kid, I know a guy. I'm tired of the way these hypocrites are on the hop. I know that. It's be a fucker them a promote on this hop. I know that. Enough of them are just evil. Termites, cockroaches. You call them just worse than termite, dog. Look, I could have called their names, but it would be wrong of me to give them the blame for. Look, it's been coming from generation, from history, from past. Black man hate black man, from in the slavery days. In our slave, field slave never liked them. I think our slave was the biggest pussy. That's why I don't like them. They're a snitch. They work for the master. They beat you down. They call your name. They pull you out. They bet you down just to be the master clown. Trust me, I ain't worship no master. I'd rather put a bullet in his fucking head and tell us that fucking disaster. My heart is hiding from the door. Gotta get the light right now. If you come in my way, trust me, I got the rifle to light it up. Nobody tell you nothing. It's like time to say put your lighter up. Yeah, it's a freestyle. I never think it, I never flow, I just flow. If I hope in the dark, will you stay? You'll never find me. Yeah. I'm tired of the light on my ceiling. Yeah. Look, can't hide from this light in the day. It's like nothing about, so I gotta move, keep it move, keep the flow, let it groove, let it stew. Everybody say shh every day, like you're sitting there, you wonder what they say, you wonder what they do wrong. Imagine this, dog. You ain't have to do nothing for people to hate you. You sit right there, they chat you. They say you're worthless, you ain't got no ambition. Try to do your best in thing, they'll never support you. They say you're a waste, man. Why? When you buy the first whip, they say, fucking my butt, man. Look, see, you can't get born in it, man, people, dog. If you try to please people, you're gonna die trying to please people, dog. That's why I say I don't care about people and their fucking feelings. If you wanna hate on me, I say fuck you, fuck your feeling, fuck your mom feeling, fuck your dad feeling, fuck your friends feeling, fuck all of you feeling. But all you motherfuckers are switching, snitching, sucking pussy, fucking body, all of that because of feelings. Me, I stand firm. I don't give a fuck about your feelings. But I respect you though.
from the dark.
That's it.
But it's under my skin.
Yeah.
Every corner.
A lot of people run from their own life. Trust me.
If I open the door,
Yeah. You open the door.
will it pull me apart?
A lot of people run. Trust. Yeah. Look. Yeah. Yeah. There was a time, yeah, the time when I died.
Scars on my soul, but I never did tire. Navigated darkness for too long. Now I say my song.
Let me sing my song again. What's that? Too much.
You're not alone on this long
Too
walk.
fucking much. You want too much out of the inch, go to you get into it. Wake up your blood clot. Asleep, asleep. Rasta, asleep, asleep. Alright, you go stop your ears. Asleep, asleep. God. Your blood clot, God.
So special.
Another body slain in the street. And we've been needing change, needing peace.
Anybody there?
We can't take it no further.
Understand
Heard the
anything,
angels crying, they scream murder, murder. Heard the angels crying, they scream murder, murder. Oh, you hear them angels crying.
Hey, you get you 151 incident already. Hold on. One, you know, instrumental make good look good. Alright, Fleur, fuck you then. Freaking, I'm not afraid of freestyle. Listen. Yeah. All the real ones know the real ones. Real ones also know the pagans. Cause pagans always try to fuck with real ones. And real ones have to protect themselves from pagans. You don't know. Why me a talk down to psychot last Joe that bomb of them.
Another body slain in the street. We done, we can't take it no further. Heard the angels cry.
Yo! People that was saying, I want mad man, you know. If I was a bad man, yeah, I say, you go mad this nice sometimes. Sometimes mad this nice. Yeah. Blood clot crush. Good clot should me have a good shot. Me good shot. God. Good clot. Yeah. She's a nine, got the feeling of her. But when's the night, girl, we link all night. Thursday, girl, we do it all night. Friday night, we out in the club. Saturday night, girl, we do we rubber dub. But Sunday, girl, we gone to the church. Me and you, girl, gonna do some homework. Say the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 days of the week. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As if the wind riding in. Yeah, listen, anyway, fuck that. I said 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days, 6 days, 7 day. And if another day, girl, I make the 8th day. And now we'll fuck She's saying you come round there, it's my way. And if you want to take the ride, girl, it's my way. Yes, a back as yes, it's my way. You know what you do down in the throat? No, that's not my way, no. Okay, gotcha. Anyway, people, God bless you. No big up on yourself. No come for life. I don't want no more body join the life again. Cause while I go miss you, 200 and join. I want to join from. I'm tell say good night. I mean, when say good night, I work. We go tomorrow. We miss work. Uni. Blood clot. But I go sleep in people in class. So I mean, I try to have a look ambition. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, we try a look ambition. Now we try some more. If me feel me try, also. Not true. Yeah, man, me blood clot feel me try. Nobody can tell me say me ain't try. You can't say me ain't try. That me I tell you. Oh, can't say me ain't try. Thank you very much, everybody, for the love. Thank you for the support. Big up on yourself. Is me? Big up to the lawyer one them. Big up on yourself. Big up to Epic Boss Lady, big up for today, and big up Jessica, big up Jesus, stay, big up Tandy, big up what's the girl name? Big up the British girl, we call them British. You know, in Jamaica, they call them British. Big up British as well, who was on the live too as well in the platform. I don't remember your name. Big up yourself, darling. You see me? It's good when you have people who like what you do. When I give the time and effort, I give the time and effort to supporting something that needs support, and that's BWS. Yeah, but woman syndrome, right? Battered woman syndrome. I mean, not telling you where me I go with it or where me I come from with it. That's how I'm going to say battered woman syndrome. For every woman, if you don't understand what it is, you go and check it out. Battered woman syndrome. See what it means, and then you got the answer. You get me? So big up my sister Rosalie. Big up anywhere there. 26th of June up now, man. I lie. Big up on yourself. Yeah, friend them ready to boom book lots of Jamaica, yeah. Lot of Jamaica, man. That's all of Jamaica.
See, she driving me crazy, she's not fun. Hey girl, you're not for me. I'm not for you. Ooh, girl, you're not for me. I'm not for you. I said, girl, you're not for me, and I'm not for you. Girl, you wanna with me, and now with you. Whisper. When you cry.
Good night, y'all. I'm gonna zoom now, go to bed. I will a nice blood clot fresh now. Yeah, nice shower. Hot water. All the time hot girl, when we can't be able to cold out there, man, you me there? Yeah, living life in the misery. Ain't nobody gonna tell me about the girl with the side with the song with me. Let's see. Girl says she want this sweet. I give her love like 1, 2, 3. She tell me that she want me with me. Give her the love like ABC. Yeah, she'll run to me like shit. She wanna rescue me like yeah. She found me lost and farmer. I tell her girl I was run this time. Tell me that shit this time. Yeah. Rastaman show and life dog. Yeah. Miss Louis, where are you all leaving, Miss Louis? Where are you leaving, me not see you? And when me I leave the life, yeah, I that time you retire. You just retiring. I'm just taking the mic right now. Yeah, cook? Where you cook? Where you cooking? Ladies and gentlemen, let me sing a freestyle. Somebody put a word in the comment section when I start. Let me flow with the words then. She's in the kitchen cooking up something for me. Her heart's the guy. She's in the kitchen cooking up something for me. Yeah, sure smelling good. She cooking something gonna raise some bees with the coconut milk and the scallion gin and getting some essence, smelling essence. Yeah. She told me that she go cook some chicken, she go fry some sweet and brown stew, fry some. Good. Yeah. What about when her belly full? What we gonna do through the night? We're gonna make each body grow and work on all night. Anytime you say the girl, tell me when it's alright. I'm not for you, you're not for me. But I know you want them things from me. Same song, same song, same song, same song. Same song, same song, same song, same song. Ain't no love more on to me. Ain't no love and on to me. Ain't no love gonna reach your heart like me. I reach you with a jelly water. You drink it, grows to your heart closer. It drinks like ice water. Make your life will go colder. I make you feel warm. I make your body calm. I take you in the snow. I make it till it calm. Girl, yeah, yeah. Cause she in the kitchen cooking something for me. Yeah, cooking it. Cause she's in the kitchen cooking up for me. Yeah. Everybody know. Yo, my bad. If me never bad, don't know there. Give me a gift, no, give me something, no. Oh, Papa, Jesus. Oh, Lord. All right. Hey, ladies, I want to say you are the most precious thing that God has put in this earth, other than me. Yeah. You tell me that I'm precious. Try some, yeah? Yeah. She told me she's precious. I told her I'm special. She said she's a one of a kind, she's unique, no. I said, boo, I said, like you really need to get to know me, cause I don't think no other man is gonna love you. I don't think no other man is gonna touch you like I do. I don't think no other man is gonna f you like I do. I don't think I don't like that beat. Was it disrespect? Come let me give you good country love. Let me give you some of that old school love. Let me give you some of that modern day love. Give you that old school love. Remember when we used to write each other love letters? Used to walk to the park together. Used to sit and have a long talk together. At nights with no one to say goodnight forever. Wish we could spend the night and let it last forever. Wanna wish it rain, we would be much better. But girl, we now know that you said I got a girl. But I know God never make a mistake. When it comes to my life, it's always elevate. Give me what I want, what I need, what I can God give, what I can share, I share, what I keep for myself. Let me take you back some old school love. Yeah. And me and you, girl, making real love. And we were outside under the stars, holding and touching each other. But nowadays, girl, as you meet them, they must swallow. Oh, I take it too far, though, Rasta. I take it too far. I take it too far, though. I mean, I get nothing either, make it worse. Sure. I'm gonna wait till you're passing again. Tell you from the bottom of my heart. Mama, me love you, want me to let you. When I sing over my own song, I like sing over my song, I do already. Like the fresh freestyle. Rippy bong dong dong ding. Yeah. Chirippy bong dong dang 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 dang. Chirippy bong but rippy bong chirippy bang stand. Chirippy bong chirippy back to rippy bang stand. A girl say she want this a sling thing. I come and tell me that she want. Rasta love she want. Yeah. A Rasta love she need. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause every time she see Rasta, she have to smiling in the morning. Yes. And every time she pass Rasta, she have to greet her as king, yeah. Say she wanna sure. Shabba Mukla, say it again. The island of me and chat fuck right now, Rasta. You see, I can come off the live cause the people don't seem to be giving her anything. Nah.